Hi, I'm Diana. We were given this OneFinsh paint sprayer in return for this video, so we're going to go over the features and show you how it works. Here's what we have to work with today. We have the sprayer, we have some painter's tape. They have these little filters when you're pouring the paint through there, and there's where you put the paint. Here we have some gloves, 4 nozzles, and this goes on the front of the sprayer right there. So we're going to go ahead and give a little demo. It is actually funneling through there. It's hard to see, it's slow because that is some thick paint, but that's a good test. On the side here, you can decide how round or how much of an oval shape you want your spray to go. You just adjust it there. And then if you want it to either on the oval shape to be more horizontal or vertical, you're going to adjust it here on this front piece by turning that. You might want to loosen that up a bit, and then that goes up or down or horizontal, and that will allow you to control the direction of that spray. And this here controls the intensity of the flow. This is a standard Ryobi battery. Fits right on there. And then to clean it out, you just put some clean water in it and just blow the water through the sprayer. So it worked pretty good. We actually got some of the wall done and it cleaned up really easily. So if you're looking for a nice little paint sprayer that's easy to use and easy to clean up, definitely check this one out.